नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं शुभम गर्ग और आप हैं गर्ग गुरुकुल चैनल में। हम जानते हैं कि एफकेट के लिए ओनली 1 मंथ इज लेफ्ट। ठीक है, अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1 मंथ इज लेफ्ट। नाउ लेट्स नॉट टॉक अबाउट दैट कि एफकेट विल बी पोस्टपोन्ड और नॉट। ठीक है, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट कि एफकेट के लिए वी हैव जस्ट 1 मंथ, सो वी आर टारगेटिंग कि यस, एफकेट विल हैपन ऑन 19th एंड 20th ऑफ September. ठीक है, so according to that I will tell you the strategy to clear AFCAT in 1 month. ठीक है, so what you should do in this month if you have not started your AFCAT preparation, or even if you have started, how to revise. ठीक है, so you can go by this strategy, how to revise and even how to clear the AFCAT in by studying just for 1 month in this last 1 month. ठीक है, as per me I have cleared AFCAT 5 times. ठीक है, I have cleared 5 times AFCAT consecutively, and as per me in 1 month you can score, if you study good, you can score 170 to 180 marks. ठीक है, AFCAT की general cut off is at around 150 out of 300. ठीक है, so if you study good, as per my strategy you can score 170 to 180 plus, even 200 plus, but you have to study smart since time is less, and you have lots of resources available over internet, so you should study specific resources. So let's start with the English section. So what we have to do in the English section, so in the English we get comprehension, close test. This is also known as fill in the blanks, idioms and phrases, synonyms and antonyms, and correctly spelled. ठीक है, so these are the sections which we will get in English. ठीक है, so for comprehension, now what I am doing is, this is my WhatsApp number 9380647486. what I am doing is I am trying to help each and every aspirant as much as possible to clear the AFCAT. ठीक है, so I have prepared some notes and I am providing some notes to the aspirants on nominal charges. ठीक है, it's a paid program but it's very nominal. ठीक है, it's only 300 rupees. Okay, it's a one-time payment. You just have to pay 300 rupees and you will get all the notes. So apart from this, I'm just telling how you can prepare for AFCAT in 1 month. So for comprehension, okay, what you have to do is you have to practice online. Okay, and how you have to practice short comprehensions. Take any website and practice short comprehensions online on alternate days. ठीक है, so if you are preparing on alternate days, you will be able to complete 15 comprehensions. ठीक है, even if you are not able to prepare on alternate days, ठीक है, in a week you prepare just 2 to 3. ठीक है, so before AFCAT if you are able to solve 10 comprehension, practice 10 comprehension online, then it is good. Okay, if you are not able to find out comprehensions, I will give you 10 comprehensions in a PDF. ठीक है, with answers, with solved answers that you can practice. Okay, now for close test and fill in the blanks is the same thing. Okay, online you have to practice close test. Just type close test practice or online. ठीक है, and similarly 10 close test or you can practice online. If you are not able to do, I'll provide you 10 close test in a PDF. Okay, so 10 comprehension, 10 close test. Now idioms and phrases, I have the PDF. I'll provide you the PDF, or else just go through any list of PDF. ठीक है, list of idioms and phrases. ठीक है, list of idioms and phrases which is available online. You can go through any list and prepare yourself, but if you want specific list, then I am providing the PDF. Synonyms and antonyms, now it's very less time to work on their vocab. ठीक है, and the return of investment. Okay, so how much time you will put in preparing the synonyms and antonyms in this 1 month, then it is very less. Even if you read a lot, you might get only 1 or 2 questions which you have read. Okay, a lot of words might be out of the thing which out of the scope which you have read. ठीक है, so synonyms, antonyms, I would suggest you can leave. Okay, in this 1 month. Okay, now correctly spelled. Now in correctly spelled, what they do is they give you 4 words. ठीक है, so for example this is question number 16, question number 17. Okay, so they will give you 4 words. For example, necessary. Okay, and 4 times they will give the spelling of necessary itself, and you have to find out which is the correct one. Okay, this is how they give the correctly spelled. So for this, what I would suggest you is the common words. ठीक है, common words which we use daily. ठीक है, the words which are known to you, for example necessary, for example continuously, for example comprehension. ठीक है, so the common words which we use, that you can at least practice and you should know the correct spelling. For example, practice word itself. So PRACTICE, it's not SE. So they might give you PRATICE, TISE, okay, PARA, like that. Okay, so you should know the common words. Okay, because it's only 1 month, that's why I'm telling the strategy specifically for 1 month. Okay, since you just have 1 month left for the AFCAT, don't think if it is going to be get postponed or not. We are preparing for AFCAT, and if it happens, then we will clear it for sure. Okay, so for correctly spelled, you just need to know the spellings of a common words which we use in our daily life. So we have talked about English. Now let's come to maths section. Okay, now maths में the most important thing or the most advantage you have is in AFCAT that the question doesn't repeat but the pattern repeats. Okay, so from the previous year questions we have found out that okay, these are the chapters from which the question comes. Now what type of questions come, that depends on a what level of questions come, that depends like on a you can find out from a previous year questions. Okay, so if you are going for a book, okay, and in that book if you have level 1, level 2, level 3 questions like that as per difficulty, if you are going for any book, if that has it, then you just have to read from level 1 and level 2. Okay, so just solve questions from level 1 and level 2. But if you don't have a book, what you have to do is for time and work, just look out for different concepts of questions. Okay, on any website, just solve. Okay, just solve on time and work, just solve different types of questions. So 10 to 12 types would be there. Okay, so just solve those types of questions and also write down the formulas. Okay, so write down the formulas which are being used to solve the time and work questions. Similarly goes for percentage, similarly goes for trains. This is simple interest and compound interest. Now here formulas are very important because without formula you will not be able to solve any of the questions. Both and streams formulas are very important. Okay, you will not be able to solve. Average, similarly you have to solve different types of questions. Profit and loss, here also you need formulas. Okay, without formula it will be very difficult for it to solve. Now out of these 10 topics, these 10 topics, these 7, okay, so these 7 are the most important topics for AFCAT. Okay, so these are the 7 topics on which you will see most of the questions in AFCAT. So since you have just 1 month left, so try to cover, try to practice these topics as much as possible. Okay, now these remaining 3 topics, which is time, speed and distance, ratio and simplification, you might get 1 or 2 questions from these 3 topics. Okay, so these 3 topics you can keep it at the end. You have to practice these 7 topics as much as possible and don't go for more difficulty. Okay, more difficult questions, you don't have to go for more difficult question. You have to go for a different, more pattern, like different types of question. Okay, different types of question. So for example, from time and work, okay, so 2 people are working, 1 has left, okay, after some days. Okay, now in time and work, 3 people are working together. If 6 more people come, how much time? So these are different types of questions. So you have to go for different types of questions instead of working on more difficult questions. Okay, so different types of questions will be asked. Now in my paid program, which is for 300, just one time payment, you will get all the important formulas PDF, okay, for all these specifically to AFCAT. Okay, so you will get that PDF specific to AFCAT. Okay, so the most important topics which are there in the AFCAT for maths, you will get the formula PDF. Okay, all the formulas are mentioned in that one PDF, so it is very easy to revise. And also when you will see that PDF, the formulas would be you will be able to remember those formulas in your mind, because when you will see that PDF, I myself created that PDF, and I have used different colors, so it is very easy to remember that. Okay, so if you join this program, Okay, so you will get that PDF, formula PDF, which is made by me, or else if you want to prepare yourself, just whenever you are practicing, just write down the formulas. Okay, but if you get the PDF, then it will be very easy. You just have to remember the formulas and directly start practicing. So this is for maths. Now let's discuss about reasoning, and after that we will discuss about GA, which is the most tough and difficult part of FCAT, which candidates find it more confusing. Okay, how to study. So let's cover reasoning first. Now if you ask any candidate what is the simplest part of FCAT exam, it is reasoning, because it is very scoring. Okay, and the reasoning questions are solved in a very less time. So how to prepare reasoning? So before knowing how to prepare the reasoning in 1 month, what we have to do is first we have to know what all topics are asked for FCAT for reasoning. So we have odd one out. Now in odd one out we have verbal and non-verbal. Verbal means, like for example, it will be cat, dog, lion and pigeon. Okay, so this is kind of a verbal odd one out. Okay, so you will pigeon would be the odd one out. Okay, now non-verbal would be, there would be 4 figures. Okay, non-verbal means figures would be there. Okay, some diagrams would be there, and in that diagram, which is the odd one out. Okay, that you have to find out. Okay, so this would be the odd one out because we have 2 arrows, and so it will not be that this simple, but it will be simple only. Okay, so this is the difference between verbal and non-verbal odd one out. So there will be at around 4 to 5 questions for this one, 4 to 5 questions of this one. Okay, then there will be a dot problem. Okay, so dot problem questions would be there, and I have made a video on dot problem. If you have not seen this, click on the I button and check that. Okay, how to solve the dot problem I have already made. Analogy is, if you Google what is analogy questions, so you will know. Okay, so barber, hair, okay, like that. So doctor, what, like this. Okay, so there will be 4 questions. This is what is analogy. So you'll be getting 4 to 5 questions of like this. Okay, Venn diagram, you will be getting 4 to 5 questions of Venn diagram. Continue the series. Now what is continue the series? There is a pattern which is going on. Okay, for 3 diagrams, 4 diagrams you have to find out. Okay, so what will come next? That is continue the series. Replace the question mark. In replace the question mark, it is like analogy only, but it is like it will be like this. Okay, and so what will come here? Okay, so this is following one pattern, and similarly following that pattern, what will come over here, like that, something like that. Replace the question mark will be there. Embedded figure. What are embedded figure questions? Embedded figure questions are, now there will be a figure given, for example like this, and you have to find out from 4 options where is it hidden. Okay, so it will be like this. Some 4 options would be given. You have to find out from embedded figure in which figure it is hidden. Okay, it is also known as hidden figure. Okay, now complete the figures. Complete the figures is same. 3 part of the diagram would be given. You have to find out which option from 4 given would complete this figure. Okay, now what is the strategy to prepare the reasoning? Okay, so to prepare the reasoning, one of the best strategy is previous year questions. Okay, now you will get previous year questions on the FCAT website. Okay, you will get it on FCAT website. Okay, apart from that, if you are not able to find out, you can WhatsApp me. This is my WhatsApp number, 9380647486. Okay, you can WhatsApp me if you are not able to find out. Apart from that, previous year questions you will find out on many websites. Okay, if you're not able to find previous year questions, just Google these one type of questions. Okay, dot problem, MCQs, like that. Okay, and then you will be able to solve. So previous year questions and sample papers are enough to prepare for this, but for more practice, okay, you can prepare online. Okay, any type of any website, any book. Okay, one book is there, RS Agrawal, which is verbal and non-verbal. Okay, if you have that book, just go for this particular topic. Okay, because these are the topics which are asked in FCAT. Because the book which is RS Agrawal verbal and non-verbal reasoning, that is very thick book. Okay, and that contains a lot of topics, a lot of verbal reasoning, non-verbal reasoning. So don't solve each and every type of questions, just solve these type of questions, okay, which I mentioned, that particular category. Okay, and most probably you should give at around 5 days max. okay, for reasoning in your preparation. So you have 30 days, right? So just give 5 days, okay? In 5 days, solve at around 20 to 30 questions each, okay, of each, okay, in 5 days. So 20 to 30 questions if you solve for each, and you will come to know how to solve that particular type of questions. It will be very easy in AFCAT exam when you will give the written. It will be very easy for you to solve. Okay, so this was the, we have covered English, we have covered maths, and this was the reasoning. And now we'll come to GS, which is the most difficult part for every aspirant. So let's discuss about GS now. Talking about GS or general awareness. Okay, so in AFCAT, as I have before told you that they don't repeat the questions, but they repeat the pattern. Okay, so in GS there are two things. One is static GK, okay, and one is current affairs. Okay, so from current affairs, approximately at around 3 to 4 questions are there. Okay, only 3 to 4 questions. Most probably the questions would be on static GK as per the trend. Okay, but if your luck is you have bad luck on that day, you might get more questions from current affairs. Okay, like 5 to 6 questions maybe, but as per me, current affairs questions comes at around 3 to 4 questions from current affairs, and most of the questions are from static GK. Now, in static GK also, there are particular topics which are very important. Okay, so from history, modern history, okay, is the most important part, and that too regarding Gandhiji. Okay, from ancient and medieval, you just have to study the most important topics. Okay, most important in the sense one liners, okay, one liners, because the history is huge. Okay, there is a chance that you might get a question which you have read or you might not get, but you should know the most important questions which might come. So just just check for one liners, okay, on history, and I have a PDF for that. Okay, so you can, if you are joining this program, you will get this PDF, okay, from my side. Okay, so for polity also one liner questions. Okay, you don't have to study Lakshmikant, okay, Lakshmikant, okay, or Pathfinder book or Lucent. Okay, Lucent you can study if you want, but the lot of data is there. You just have to study one liner for polity also. Okay, so don't study these books. It will in 1 month they will take up all your time. Okay, these are the books which UPSC students study, and this is for CDS. Okay, so CDS they ask a lot of polity questions, but here you will be getting just 3 to 4 questions. Okay, and that too from very important sources, very important topics in polity. Okay, so for this also I have a PDF for one liners. Okay, so if you join this program you will get it. Apart from that, for static GK, okay, so for static GK you have a lot of like questions which will come like international headquarters. Okay, so international headquarters के ऊपर that SARC, where is its headquarter? Okay, WHO, where is its headquarter? Okay, this is the kind of question which every year they ask. Okay, so we can follow the pattern. Acha, we have to remember all the headquarters. Now, capital currency. Okay, so what is the capital of this country? What is the currency of this country? Okay, that kind of thing. Dances, okay, related to awards. This award is related to which field? Okay, games and sports, military exercises. Okay, and a lot of static GK topics are there, and all the static GK topics I have the PDF. It's all covered. You don't have to worry about that if you take this program. So for static GK, if you are taking this program, then you will get all the PDF. Everything would be covered in this. Okay, you don't have to worry much about that. Okay, so you will be getting all the things from me if you are joining this program for 300 rupees. This is one-time payment only. You can just WhatsApp and ask me about the details. But if you're not joining, then for static GK, just read very, very important topics, very, very common topics which comes in SSC exam. Okay, so if in SSC exam you see what kind of GK topics comes for static GK, that you can study, but it will take some time for you to analyze the SSC questions and find out. So it is better if you join and get the PDF from me. Apart from that, so if I kind of revise things, so for English, for GS, for maths, and for reasoning. Okay, so this you have to practice online. Okay, for maths I'm providing formula PDF. Okay, for GS I'm providing static GK. Okay, now current affairs, for current affairs it is better as per me that since you have just one month, don't waste time on this one. Okay, because current affairs, maybe there's a lot of syllabus and you don't know which current question might be asked. If you must have been preparing from 2 to 3 months back, then for 2 months you could have covered current affairs, but I would suggest leave the current affairs as of now. Okay, so static GK you can cover, and English I will provide comprehension, 10 comprehension, 10 close test, and idioms and phrases, this one, PDF. Okay, so this is what I will provide you. Apart from that, static GK all PDF I will provide. For whole static GK PDF for AFCAT, which is very very important as per the pattern. Apart from that, before the exam I will provide you 3 PDF mock test. Okay, 3 mock test PDF. Okay, which will be on similar pattern as AFCAT. Okay, similar pattern as AFCAT. Okay, I'll provide you 3 mock test PDF. Okay, so the advantage of giving the mock test is, first of all, you will know the timing. Okay, so which section you are able to solve in how much time, that makes very important. From mock test you will come to know which section you have to solve first. Okay, so in the real exam, and when you solve 3 mock tests, when you will get the first mock test, then you'll come to know, okay, this formula I have forgotten. Okay, this type of question is asked. In the second mock test you will be doing better. In the third mock test you will be improving yourself much better, and in the real exam you will be improved a lot. Okay, so if you want to join this program, we have a WhatsApp group also. I will add you into the WhatsApp group. Okay, so if you want to join this program, just WhatsApp me 9380647486. WhatsApp me on this number and I'll provide you all other details. And if you're preparing for any other defense exam, so please subscribe to the channel. Agar video pasand aaye, if you like the video, please like this video. And if you are preparing for SSB also, then also you can subscribe to this channel. I have a different playlist for SSB. You can check out on my channel. This is Shubham Garg. Thank you so much.